Good morning, everyone. A very common question I get about Act software in Microsoft Outlook is how do you attach incoming and outgoing emails you send and emails you receive to the appropriate contact in Act. Act has had a tool that does this for years, but it is often broken. It can be working one day and stop working the next. So many years ago, the good people at Keystroke developed a tool called Act4Outlook. But through time, and as the relevance of Act in the cloud became more of a fixture, they also created a second product called Act4Mail. And the difference between the two is really very simple. Act4Mail works with the web version, and Act4Outlook works with the Act desktop version. That's all it is. That's the distinction between the two. The desktop version of Act uses currently Act4Outlook version 7, and it's $39.95 one time. It's a perpetual license. If a new version comes out, you might have to buy that, but that's your choice. This is what a typical setup looks like when you're using Act4Outlook. The other version of Act4Outlook is called Act4Mail, and this is based on the web version and the integration. Now, I've mentioned the main feature, in my opinion, the attachment feature, but it also does some other things that I can illustrate in other videos that will show you some of the other ways to use the software to do different things. So it's really a great tool, and this is a typical setup in the Act4Mail settings, and the major difference being that the API is used to connect Act CRM Classic, Act Premium Cloud, or a web version of Act that you might host to the software. So these are the primary differences, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to me and I'll help guide you through this and talk to you about what's involved in the setup. The setup isn't that difficult. You just have to have certain information, such as your Act database name, your username, and your password, and we can help fill in the rest. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back to me. Be well. Bye now.